On Tuesday, March 23rd, 2010, at about 10:09 p.m., the Pembroke police received numerous 911 calls of gunshots fired in the area of Lake Avenue in Pembroke. Pembroke police and the fire department responded, found a 31-year-old female who had been shot multiple times while parking her car in the driveway. At the time, she was conscious and alert. She was transported to South Shore Hospital, where she was treated for her injuries. She subsequently treated and transported to Boston Hospital. Pembroke police learned that the assailant had fled the area in a red Volkswagen Jetta with the Connecticut license plates. Hanover Police Department stopped the Volkswagen on Route 53 in Hanover a short time later. The driver and lone occupant of that vehicle, an individual subsequently identified as Dorian Membrano of 896 Lindley Street, Bridgeport, Connecticut, was arrested and transported to the Pembroke Police Station, where he was held overnight on $1 million cash bail. Today, he was arraigned in Plymouth District Court in front of Judge Welch on allegations of attempted murder and assault and battery with a dangerous weapon with a handgun, where he's currently being held without bail pursuant to a 58A dangerousness hearing, which will be scheduled at the Plymouth District Court on Tuesday, March 30th. The Pembroke Police and the Massachusetts State Police assigned to my office are continuing this investigation. This investigation has revealed that this is not a random shooting. There is evidence that the victim in this case has been targeted, and an individual who has been identified who may have been hired to do the shooting. This individual, is currently being held by law enforcement authorities in Connecticut on an unrelated matter. There is evidence that the victim and the suspect in Connecticut had a prior personal relationship. Because this matter is ongoing as we speak, I'm not going to make any further comment regarding the investigation at this time. I will answer questions to the extent that I can right now. There was a prior relationship with the suspect who's in Connecticut and the victim in this case. Yes.
Boyfriend, girlfriend?
A personal relationship.
Were any restraining orders filed by her with him as the subject?
I can't comment on that at this time.
What happens next with him?
With
the gentleman that's in custody in Connecticut?
Well, right now they're going to hold him on the process that they have down there and go in their normal course of what they will do with those cases that they have against him. And up here, we're going to continue our investigation regarding this event that occurred last night.
Can you tell us his name and the charges that he's facing down there? If they're unrelated, I mean, it would be public that he's been arrested in Connecticut, correct? But you don't want to.
I'm sure it would be, but I'm not going to be releasing his name at this point until we go further in our investigation regarding what happened up here.
Can you tell us the county or city that he's being held by?
I'm not sure of that.
Can you tell us any more about the nature of the relationship between him and the shooting victim?
My understanding was it's a prior personal dating relationship.
What about the relationship between the man being held in Connecticut and the suspect here?
That's what we continue to work on to see what that relationship is. And obviously right now we believe that there's something out there as pertains to being hired to come up here and conduct this conduct.
Is there more about why would this guy be hired? Have you found anything about his background? Is he part of some sort of organization? Has he gotten online? Why would he get picked to do this job?
That's all part of the investigation that's ongoing right now.
He, according to the report that was filed in court, it said clearly that he says that he was hired to commit a murder.
You say you're referring to Membrano.
Correct, Mr. Membrano. And is that what you believe, that is his words are accurate, that he was a hitman?
Well, I'm not going to say that he's a hitman, but I have no reason to disbelieve his words as we speak right now.
Do you have any kind of an update on the victim? I understand she was undergoing surgery.
That's my understanding. She's in a Boston hospital right now, and hopefully she'll recover quickly from the injuries that she received.